to see your pictures and your latest videos. Yeah, Alexis had seen some of your pictures from your website. Just checking out the dogs. Dogs are, that is Scotty's funny. Are they just the funniest little things ever? Oh, look at them. They're all over the floor. You have an infestation here. You know that, don't you?
Infestation of woolly puppies.
Yes, of woolly.
Like that one.
Whoa. Oh, ooh, ooh, we're about to fuss.
Oh.
About to fuss.
We'll probably need your diaper change.
Okay, now she's, nope. Fuss, yes. Fuss, no. Fuss, yes.
Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. You have a really wet diaper.